Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Alex Verdugo credits personal chef he hired for turnaround in AL Division Series opener. New York, AP. Alex Verdugo felt a little cooked this season, so he hired a personal chef. Revived by his new diet, Verdugo hit a tie-breaking single in the 7th inning and saved at least one run with a sliding catch along the left field line to boost the New York Yankees over the Kansas City Royals 6-5 on Saturday night in their AL Division Series opener. He gave some of the credit to his nutrition. "It's made me feel a lot better, a lot more energized on a day-to-day basis and recovering a little bit better, less lethargic," he said. New York won the first postseason game with 5 lead changes, according to the Elias Sports Bureau, behind Verdugo's bat and glove. In his first season since the Yankees acquired him from Boston, the chatty 28-year-old outfielder with the mood lamp in his locker was hitting .266 on June 14 but went into a tailspin that coincided with the start of the Yankees' 39-38 slide. Verdugo batted .197 from then through August. New York called up rookie outfielder Jasson Domnguez on September 9 and Verdugo started just 11 more games. He finished with a .233 average, his lowest in a full season, along with 13 homers and 61 RBIs. Yankees manager Aaron Boone wanted Verdugo in left field against Kansas City, partly because of his superior defense. "Just trusting that he's going to be ready for the moment and his experience and his track record," Boone said. "I know it's been a little bit of an up-and-down tough second half for him offensively, but the guy is a good hitter." With the Yankees trailing 3-2, Verdugo made a sliding catch on Michael Masseys' 4th-inning fly just inside the line to strand 2 runners. The ball hit the heel of Verdugo's glove and bounced off his chest before he grabbed it with his bare hand. "Thank goodness it popped over to the left hand, so it all worked out," he said at the post-game news conference, wearing a sweatshirt emblazoned with the name of his native Tucson and a diamond sparkling from each ear. Watching from the dugout, Boone didn't catch Verdugo's juggling act. "That's as tough a chance as you're going to have with a left fielder with that ball slicing like that on the run," Boone said. "That's easy to get handcuffed and mess that play up." Verdugo was in a 2-for-34 skid at the plate when he stepped into the batter's box with 1 out in the 7th inning of a 5-5 game. Chisholm Jr. was at second after a leadoff single and a stolen base that was allowed to stand following a video review Royals manager Matt Quatraro thought should have led to an overturned call. Verdugo lined a cutter into left field that sent Chisholm across the plate standing up. Advancing to second on the throw, Verdugo raised his arms in triumph. "When the lights are brightest, that's when we want to play," he said. "There's finally a finish line, and when you see that, it's basically full sprint." He admitted Domnguez's arrival had been a blow.